We're back with another video. I know it's been a while since we haven't posted, but we are posting a video for you guys today since we've been getting a lot of comments, hey, post more videos. We're back. We're back in action, and we're going to show you a beautiful house here in Pacifica Tiny Homes Shop. We have a beautiful tiny Victorian 22-footer with nice earth tone colors. It's beautiful. We're going to show you the interior of the home here. And at this house right here, our Victorian is so beautiful. It has a beautiful combination of shiplap and blue pine on the ceiling, and it just obviously it complements the home very well. I mean, the flooring and everything looks so beautiful. So let's go ahead and check out. We're gonna be going in and checking out our kitchen. So our customer decided to go with a propane stove. This one is a 3-burner, and it does have a little oven underneath as well. I know it's usually the standard stuff that we show you, but this home has some cool little modifications that I truly like and I truly appreciate. And I'll definitely show you more right now, okay? It does have a washer dryer combo as well, so you have this great combination to wash and dry your clothes underneath your sink, where your sink is at and stuff like that. So it's a pretty cool feature right here. We do have, of course, our standard 10.1 cubic refrigerator. And we also have this little space right here. So a lot of people tell us, what is this space used for? Though this space can be utilized for a lot of things. It can be used for storage, hutch, it can be used for a pantry, any customization and retrofit, it can be matched to this area right here for your tiny house, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and check out our storage spaces right here. This is a really cool feature. You can get a little creative. Anybody can get a little creative, and we got a little creative right here. We added some storage shelving. Ignore that, but we added some storage shelving to be able to utilize this whole closet space, so you can fit more than what you can normally fit, which usually you can see that our customer decided to upgrade it and add shelvings here in their storage space. We have more storage space with the cubbies that you have already included. As you walk inside your bathroom, you can definitely see that we do flushable toilets. That's our standard. Therefore, you can feel that home feeling like an actual home. And that's what we do here in Pacifica Tiny Homes. We give you what it feels like an actual home. So that's something that we really prioritize, even with your towel rack on top of your toilet. So it's equivalent to an actual house. And that's what we do here in Pacifica Tiny Homes. As you start seeing on the left, you can see that there's a window right there as well to air out. Therefore it doesn't get humid in there and trapped. You have that nice little window right there as well, tempered window. And as soon as you go into your left, you'll be able to see the medicine cabinet, and also its mirror, and you also have a vanity right there. So it's really cool. It's really standard, but if you want to upgrade, you can definitely upgrade to a bigger vanity and a bigger sink as well. As when you look at the left, you will be able to see the shower. The shower standard is a 36 by 36 shower. You get to different types of nozzles and stuff that you can upgrade as well or have standard. But each customer has different appliances they can choose from for their home. This is just a standard shower, but if you want to upgrade to a shower bath combo, we can definitely do that for you as well. That's it. Going off the loft, you'll definitely see that we have a lot of space. You can see that we can fit up a king size mattress up here, very nice and cozy. Good enough room space right here. You can see that we have these windows, a lot of windows, and the egress window to give you that open feel, and you can see the outside as well. If you see on the left side, you can see that we have some shelvings. These shelvings is to add some things that you would want to add more character in your loft with a privacy wall, and you can store your things and your belongings there. And if you like books, you can also put it as a bookshelf. Whatever you feel like you can utilize this space for is up to you and for each individual. That's it. So as you can see, this is the living space area. There is a little bit of customizations that they have done here. You can see that, of course, you have your standard modern double pane low E insulated window, your bay window, your picture perfect window. And they also decided to go with the opening window on this side. Normally the TV is mounted on this side, but our customer decided to do a swap. So the window's going to be on this side and their television is going to be on this side. Before we do this outro, I do want to show you guys something really cool that we haven't done before. I know it's not a big upgrade, but it's something, the small things really matter. You can see that they did a automatic screen door right here that opens automatically with a lever down and a lever up to lock it up. So it's pretty cool. Look at that, that's a pretty cool feature. All right guys, well, thank you for stopping by here at Pacifica Tiny Homes. We're gonna be showing you guys more videos. We just got really busy, got really hectic, and we're doing the best we can to put more content out there. But if you guys want to see everyday content, visit our Instagram, visit our TikTok, visit our Facebook, our Threads, our what else do we have? Pinterest, and just check us out. All right, guys. We'll be posting more videos, but also comment below what you guys want to see. This is our gable-inspired roof, tiny Victorian with metal roof and a nice earthy tones. It was a beautiful house. I wanted to show it to you guys. All right, guys. Y'all stay smooth, be safe. This is Kevin with Pacifica Tiny Homes.